Hi, my name is Wolfgang. In this video, I will show how to upgrade your LibreOffice from 7.6 to 24.8. Note that there were no intermediate versions. The small symbol in the upper right corner will tell you that a new version of LibreOffice is available for download. Click on it, read the message, and press the download button. It will bring you to the LibreOffice download page. Scroll down and select your preferred software version. Set your operating system to Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Activate the download button. An MSI file will be downloaded to your default download folder. Double-click the MSI file. Installation will start. Acknowledge all message boxes. If requested, grant admin rights. Wait until the installation finished message appears. Now you should have the new LibreOffice version on the desktop. Check the version number below the icon. This concludes our short video describing the upgrade of LibreOffice. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Any comments are appreciated and will be answered right away. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.